to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, andito kami ni Dilo na sa Big Well o AIS Observatory Well kasi free siya. So sasakay kami guys kasi free. Ayan. Hi! Hi! So yun, free siya guys. Ayan. Two. Thank you. So yun, free siya guys. So ito na yung ticket namin guys. Ayan. Oo, balik ka mamaya pag gabi. Sa gabi. Hi guys. So ayan, pasok na kami. Ayan, pasok na kami guys. And then habang pumunta kami dito, meron kaming nadaanan na nagpapalike ng page ng Enchantor. Ayan, my favorite brand of lotion and powder. And then binigyan pa kami ng flowers. Nag-like lang kami sa page nila guys. O, diba? So yun, pasok na kami. Sakay ulit. Ito yung ano na lagi kong binabalikan talaga guys. Pero ang daming tao oh. Tignan nyo, madaming tao ba? My kind of day off for today. Today is May 21. So ganito kadami guys. Pero makunti pa lang ngayon kasi maaga pa. I'm sure later madami guys. So mga tourists yung iba. Ayan, madami. So yun guys, dito na kami. Yun, malapit nang sumakay guys. May kasama kami sa boat. So yun guys, yung view. Ayan, diba ang ganda? Kaso maingay yung mga katabi namin guys. Yung ganda ng view tayo.
Ayo aja terus. Ya telah.
Ayan yung view guys.
Foto mana aku. Itu aneh foto mana wah.
So yan yung likuran namin guys. Oh. Tumataas yung ano. One round.
Orang sana kayak gue lah.
Ayan guys, yung view. Kita yung view ng Kowloon area.
Sumpah kayak kinfil.
Can you hear my voice? Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me.
So yan guys, dito kami sa boat ng uwi kasama ko si Dino na ayan. Kasi free rides today. Yung view namin guys.
Halo Ce, next stop pa.
Nag-stop kasi nagpapasakay sila. So, second round na to. May isa pang round kasi third round to guys.
Third round.
Tapos babalik ka mamayang gabi.
Babalik
Makita mo yung view. Babalik siya mamayang gabi. Bumaganda kasi pag gabi. Para mapag-compare.
Lalu fokus.
Ayan guys. So, yung video ko sa take na yan. Ayan guys. So, walang katapos ang view.
Sudah gak mau.
ICC. Andon na naman yung dalawang gorilla. Kaya yung bata. Lalabas na tayo. Ay, ang ganda ng weather guys.
Me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday.
A few moments later.
So, yun guys. Dito kami sa may North Point. Ayan. Kain kami. Guys, late lunch na. Tea lunch. Yun yung guys exit E2 North Point. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, we go to Syria guys. Here in North Point. Ayan. So, dito ako ngayon. Ayan. Yan si Dailona. Ayan. Syria. This one guys. Itong kasama namin si founder So, ito yung Syria dito sa North Point, guys. Medyo malawak din siya. Ayun, hanggang till doon, guys. Ayun. So, yun, guys. Ito yung food namin. After namin sumakay ng Ferris wheel, pumunta kami dito sa Syria. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Magtipid ka na sa lahat. Huwag lang sa pagkain ni Kanga. Food is life. Ayan, guys. Let's eat. Late lunch. So, yun, guys. Ito na ako kamain. Itabi ko na lang ito. Kaya mo siya. So, let's eat yan, people ko kaya yan. Kumakain na. Wala. So yun guys, tapos na kami sa kumain ano na guys, ano na lang, yung may natira kaming pizza tsaka chicken, tsaka yung dessert guys, inaantay na kami. So ito yung dessert namin guys, chip flan with ice cream and tiramisu. Ayan, tiramisu. Si Dailo na nag-coffee na. pang tapos na kami kumain. And then, libot-libot dito sa may, sa may North Point Market. So, yan guys. After doon sa North Point, tuman ako dito sa may One Chai Market para bibili ako na ng pagkain ko before going home. Ayan. That is my kind of day of today, guys. Ayan. Dito ako nagbibili. Ayan. Ano to, guys? Sibmore. Mga mura lang mga products nila dito, guys. So, ayan, guys. Tapos na ako nag-market. So, punta na ako sa bus stop. Ayan.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right.
So ayan guys, that is the end of my video and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye guys.